Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about graphing a linear inequality in the plane slope-intercept form. So we know how to graph the line y equals 4x plus 4. And that line looks like this line here. We have a y-intercept of 4, we go up 4 and over 1. From 4 we go up 4 and over 1, there we go. And then we fill in our line, right? That is the line y equals 4x plus 4. However, we want to graph the inequality. When we have a greater than symbol, that means we're going to shade above the line. When we have an equal to sign, that means it's going to be solid. If it is not an equal to sign, then it becomes a dashed line. But here I filled in my solid line. And then what does it mean to graph above? Well, if I were to take this line, okay, and this one's a little tricky because what is below and what is above? Okay. Well, let's go ahead and plug in this point right here and see what happens. That point is 8, 0. So, it's 0, 8. X is 0, y is 8. There we go. I plug in 8 for y, greater than or equal to 4 times 0 plus 4. Is this a true statement? Is 8 greater than or equal to 4? Yes. So, that means that this point right here is in our region. So this portion right here is above the line. And this portion down here is below the line and is not our solution. So that's how we graph when it's in slope-intercept form. We will continue these graphing of inequalities in future videos.